Today's topic, breast milk. This stuff is absolutely miraculous, and I'm going to share with you all the incredible benefits it has for your baby and for you. So, if you've been on the fence about breastfeeding or just need a little motivation, stick around because you're about to be blown away. I'm Stephanie Poole, your friendly doula and lactation consultant, here to help you feel confident and prepared for this beautiful journey into motherhood. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my weekly tips and tricks. Okay, so let's start with this mind-blowing fact. Breast milk is literally designed just for your baby. It's like nature's custom meal delivery service. From the moment your baby is born, your body produces colostrum, also known as liquid gold. Now, this thick yellow milk is packed with everything that your baby needs in those first few days. I'm talking immune boosting antibodies, nutrients, and even a natural laxative to help them pass their first poop. Yes, breast milk handles it all. And here's the coolest part. Your breast milk changes over time to meet your baby's specific needs. If you got a newborn, your milk is perfect for their tiny tummy. A 6-month-old, your milk adjusts to provide more calories and nutrients to fuel their growth. It's literally a miracle. Now, let's talk about the immune system. Breast milk is like giving your baby a shield against illness. It's full of antibodies, white blood cells, and other immune boosting goodies that helps to protect your baby from infections. In fact, research shows that breastfed babies are less likely to get ear infections, respiratory illnesses, and even stomach bugs. And if you get sick, your body creates antibodies that go straight into your milk to help protect your baby. How amazing is that? And for all my allergy-prone mamas out there, breastfeeding can lower your baby's risk of developing allergies, eczema, and asthma later in life. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. Now, let's chat about your baby's brain. Did you know that breast milk is packed with DHA, a type of healthy fat that's crucial for brain development? Studies have shown that breastfed babies often score higher on cognitive tests and may even have better language skills as they grow. Think of breast milk as brain food. It's helping your little one develop those neural connections and setting them up for success in the future. Plus, breastfeeding is a great time for bonding, which also supports emotional development. Double win. All right, we've talked about all the ways breast milk is amazing for your baby, but can we take a moment to celebrate how it benefits you too? First off, breastfeeding burns calories, like 500 a day. That's like doing an intense workout without leaving your couch. Plus, breastfeeding helps your uterus contract back to its pre-pregnancy size faster, reducing postpartum bleeding. And let's not forget the emotional benefits. When you breastfeed, your body releases oxytocin, also known as the love hormone. This helps you bond with your baby and may even lower your risk of postpartum depression. And here's a major bonus. Breastfeeding has been linked to a reduced risk of breast and or ovarian cancers later in life. So really, it's a win, 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 and win. Before we wrap up, let's tackle a few common myths about breastfeeding. Myth number 1, breastfeeding is supposed to hurt. Absolutely not. While it's normal to feel a little discomfort at first, pain is actually a sign that something isn't quite right. A lactation consultant or your provider can help you get the perfect latch. Myth number 2, you won't make enough milk. Your body is designed to meet your baby's needs. So as long as you're nursing or pumping regularly, you should produce plenty. Myth number 3. Formula is just as good as breast milk. Now, while formula is a safe alternative, breast milk's benefits like immune support and custom nutrients can't be replicated. Let me repeat that. The custom nutrients and immune support that is in breast milk cannot be replicated, no matter what you see written on a label. All right, mama, that's a wrap on why breast milk is basically the superhero of baby nutrition. Whether you're already planning to breastfeed or just curious about the benefits, I hope this video gave you the motivation you need. If you have questions or need support, be sure to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my Bump to Bundle Blueprint for more tips on preparing for your best birth and breastfeeding journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your pregnant friends. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, stay confident, stay amazing, and I'll see you in the next video.